All right, welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk all about buying a home and what a mortgage is. And I'm here to guide you through this, making this process simple and fun. So, what's a mortgage? Well, a mortgage is a loan that people use to buy houses. Houses cost a lot of money, much more than most people have at one time. So banks lend them money in order to purchase a home. Now, I'm not saying that people don't have money and can't buy a home with all cash, but lots of Americans need a loan to purchase a home. So the person buying the house then pays back the money to the bank over a period of time by making monthly mortgage payments. So, why do people use mortgages? Well, they use them because obviously it lets them buy a home instead of waiting years to save up enough money in order to pay it back. Paying back a mortgage takes a long time, but it also means that you can have a home during that time instead of saving to pay it back. It's a way for families to build wealth in the process as opposed to saving the money. When we talk about the home buying process, buying a home is a big step. It has several layers to it, and we're going to go over some of those steps and some of those layers so that you can prepare for home ownership. So, first and foremost, saving for a down payment. Now, before you can get a mortgage, you need to have some money saved. Typically, this money is called your down payment. It's part of the home's price that you pay with your own money, not the bank's. Most banks want some skin in the game and require a certain amount of the loan to be put up front as sort of a good faith to them that you're going to pay the mortgage back. Now, there are programs that cover your down payment, like down payment assistance, but someone has to make that contribution for that down payment up front in order for the lender to lend the remaining balance. There are some loans like VA loans, which are made for military professionals and our veterans, and they don't require a down payment. There is even a loan called the USDA loan that does not require money down as well. USDA loans are loans for rural areas. These are government-backed loans, so they have looser guidelines. Then there's FHA loans. That's a government loan as well, and it requires a contribution of 3.5%. FHA loans are loans from the Federal Housing Administration, and it allows borrowers with lower credit and even higher credit scores to also purchase with looser rules for approval. We also have conventional loans, which is a mortgage not insured by the government and typically requires a higher credit score and a down payment of anywhere between 3 and 5%. This product, appeals to people most times with stronger credit histories. When you get approved for a mortgage, it means that the bank is looking at how much money you make and how you spend your money. They do this to decide if they think you're going to pay them back. They'll analyze your credit, your savings for the purchase, and stay tuned because we'll get into this in detail in the coming days on the pre-approval process. But once you're pre-approved, then really comes the fun part, right? You're looking for a house. You think about what you need in a home, like your bedrooms, bathrooms, how big you want your yard. And then with the help of a real estate agent, you start looking for a home that fits your needs. After that, you'll then begin making an offer when you find the home that you love. You'll tell the seller how much you're willing to pay, and this is typically the price that the home is offered at. Sometimes you might even offer more, and sometimes you may even offer less, especially if, you know, it's been on the market for a while, and more if there's a lot of people who want the same home. After a seller accepts your offer, there are a few more steps that the house, that you need to go through in order for the house to be yours. This includes checking the house to make sure everything's okay, like doing an inspection. You have a lot of things that we'll do during the loan underwriting process, which we'll also go over in a separate video. Right now, I'm just giving you, kind of like a surface level overview. And then in the end, you get the keys to your home. Now, this is just our first video. It's just the beginning of our 30-day process. I'm going to upload a video every day for the next 30 days in order for you to prepare for home ownership. Buying a home is a big deal, and understanding how mortgages help people to do it is important. We'll dive deeper into each step in the coming days so that you'll know all about it. Thank you for watching, and if you're curious or have questions about anything that I've said in this video, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. In our next video, we're going to talk about the pre-approval process, showing you exactly what lenders are looking for and what you can do in order to prepare. Have you started saving for your down payment yet? Share your thoughts, share your questions below. Let's learn from each other. And remember to subscribe for more videos. See you on the next time.